First stop Fort Santiago, an episode of series, Walking Tour of Intramuros. Fort Santiago, Google Maps, was built by Spanish conquistadors in 1571, replacing the destroyed fortress belonging to the last datu, king, of pre-Hispanic Manila. Over the years, Fort Santiago served as a fortress against marauding Chinese pirates, a prison for Spanish-era political prisoners, and a Japanese torture chamber in World War II. American bombs deployed during the Battle for Manila almost succeeded in destroying the fort altogether. A post-war government initiative helped restore Fort Santiago and clean its bad juju away. Today, Fort Santiago is a relaxing place to visit and an enlightening portal into the Philippines' colonial past. It contains a peaceful park, battlements overlooking the Pasig River, and a memorial museum to the Philippines' national hero Jose Rizal. For more information, read our overview of Fort Santiago in the Philippines.